Hi everybody, today I want to let you know about the offset function in VBA. How we can use offset function in VBA. You have to use, first you need to write here sub is a subroutine. After that you need to write here macro name is I'm going to use here offset, so I'm writing here offset example. This is the name of the macro. After that you have to click on enter. Then you have to activate sheet. I'm going to activate student sheet, so I'm putting here object name sheets. Then I need to parameter student. Student is the name of the sheet. Then you want to activate, you can write here activate, or in case you don't want to write here activate, then you can write here select. Anything you can write here. After that, I'm taking here base cell value is H10. Suppose H10 is this one. Okay. After this, in case you move in row, then your movement will be in downside. In case you move in column, your movement would be right side or left side. In case you want to move in a minus value, minus row, then it will move on upper side. So I'll let you know how we can use positive value to move in downside. So let's see. I'm putting here range. Your base value is H10 dot offset. Okay, offset is a function which is used to move your pointer. I'm taking here, you have two parameters, row and column. I'm putting here one means from S10 you are going to move one row, and I'm not moving on column, that's why I'm writing here 0 dot select. Then which cell you will get selected, you have to see here your base value is H10, you are moving in one row, it means H10 is this cell, then you are moving in one row means downside, one down. Okay, so I'm putting pointer anywhere. After that I run this macro, you can see here your pointer will move on H11. You can see here after running this code your pointer will be on H11. Done. This is a row movement. Suppose I'm writing here pointer movement in column. Okay, so I'm taking here base value H10, range H10, H10 dot offset. Then you have to write here, I don't want to move in row to in this code. I'm putting here 0. Actually, I don't want to move in row. That's why I'm writing here 0. I want to move in column. Suppose I'm putting here 1. It means whatever your base value, base value is H10. H10 is a base value. Okay. After that, you want to move in column. In case you are writing here positive value, it means you are moving in right side. This is the base value, you are moving in right side. Right side means one movement means you will move on I10. Okay, now let's try to run this code. Dot select you need to write. After that, run this code. You can see here your pointer is moved on I10. Okay, now I'm moving on upper side and left side. So I will have to pass here minus value, -1. Here I need to pass -1. How we can move in upper side? Let's see. Upper side means your base value is H10. You will move on upper side. Upper side means you are moving in minus value, minus row. Okay. So I'm putting here range H10 dot offset. I'm putting here -1. I'm moving on row. That's why I have written here -1. In positive value, you are moving in downside. In if you are putting here minus value, it means you are moving in upper side. Upper side means upper side. Okay, here. Okay, so I'm putting here 0. I don't want to move in column. That's why I have written here 0. Bracket close dot select. Now I'm running this. I'm putting pointer here. I run this code. First, you should aware about this base value. Your base cell reference is H10. After that, you are moving in -1 means -1 row. So your h10 is base value, then you will move on h9 through this code. I'm putting here your pointer. After that you need to run this macro. After running this macro, your pointer will be on h9. You can see here your pointer moved on h9. Okay, done. Next part is I'm moving in left side. Left side and right side means you are moving on column. This is a H column. If you are moving in right side, it would be I column. If you are moving in left side, you will move on G column. So how we can use? You can see range H10 is base value, then dot offset. Here you need to put 0 comma -1. I'm putting here in column side, I am putting here -1 dot select. It means your base value is h10. H10 is this one. Then you will move in G10. Okay. So I'm putting pointer anywhere. Then I'm trying to run this macro. Done. This is the pointer cell. Done. That's it for today.